Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to become a Webflow partner. First, you'll want to understand the program's benefits and requirements to ensure it aligns with your business goals. Next, focus on building a robust Webflow portfolio that truly showcases your design and development expertise. Finally, complete the official Webflow partner application form with all your details. This initial preparation is key for a successful application. Once your application is ready, submit it through the Webflow Partner Portal. Ensure all sections are thoroughly completed, providing a clear picture of your capabilities. Webflow's team will then carefully review your submitted portfolio and overall experience. This evaluation process helps them assess your suitability for the program. You can typically expect to hear back within a few business days or weeks regarding the status of your application. Upon approval, you'll receive an official notification welcoming you to the Webflow Partner Program. This exciting step grants you access to a wealth of exclusive partner resources and valuable training materials. These tools are designed to help you succeed and grow. You can then begin leveraging all the partner benefits, such as priority support and listing in the partner directory, to enhance your business and client offerings. To truly maximize your Webflow partner status, actively engage with the vibrant partner community. Share insights, collaborate on projects, and learn from others' experiences. Make sure to utilize all the partner-specific tools and resources available to streamline your workflows and deliver exceptional client projects. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Keep building and growing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.